Good morning friends. We will see in this video about Karna Maleshwari. Karna Maleshwari was born in a small Andhra Pradesh village of Usavanipeta. The place was a part of a small town Amadavalasa. Her mother pushed 4 of their 5 daughters to take up weightlifting after watching her uncle's son practice. She also believed that weightlifting would help make their daughter strong. In fact, her husband Manohar got a job at the Railway Protection Force because of sports. He was good to volleyball and football. Receiving strong support from her parents, she decided to pursue her career in weightlifting at a tender age. She would train with her sisters with improvised weights. Her mother Shyamala would tie household weights on bamboo sticks for her daughter's initial training. Later on, Manohar got transferred to Amalavadasa. By that time, Maleshwari had started to show a genuine inclination towards weightlifting. Watching this, her parents then put her through the weight training regimen at the Ammi Naidu gym in the district headquarters town of Srikulam. Soon the drive towards weightlifting grew so strong that Maleshwari dropped out of school when she was 12. With no schooling, she steadily progressed in the gym. Her mother would save whatever she could from her household budget to fulfill all of her daughter's growing needs for nourishment. In fact, later when Maleshwari would go on to perform at various state and national levels, Shyamala would accompany her with a kerosene stove to serve her daughter with a hot and nutritional meal. Maleshwari and her parents' efforts were to soon bear tangible fruits. She received her first professional coach in the face of Neelam Shetty Appana, and in no time, national championships beckoned the rising youngsters. Her career took off in the year 1991. When a 16-year-old Maleshwari won a silver at the 1991 Senior Nationals held in Ambala. The result was a big boost for the Andhra Pradesh girl and a genuine sign of bigger things to come. In the year 1993, Maleshwari snapped the bronze in the 54 kg category at the World Championship in the Melbourne. The following year, she became a world champion, clinching the gold at the 1994 World Championships in Istanbul. In the progress, she also became the first Indian woman to win a gold at the stage. Later that year, she also claimed the silver medal at the 1994 Asian Games in Hiroshima. Next year, in 1995, she successfully defended her title by again winning the gold in the 54 kg at the 1995 World Championships in Guangzhou. Later in 1996, she had a relatively poor display in Guangzhou and had to suffice herself with bronze. By the time she prepared for Olympics, she had won 29 international medals, of which 11 were gold. Okay friends, did you like this video? Okay. Like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to click the bell icon.